Working your leads inside of AgencyIQ, Part 2. Working reminders, emails, and being able to move leads in bulk. Whenever you have reminders in the system, you may be working something. You're more than welcome to go work your reminders from the pop-ups that are going to be from the top. If you would like to be able to dismiss it, you can do that. If you'd like to dial directly from here, you can do that as well, or snooze it for about 10 minutes. If you dismiss this right here, then it'll automatically dismiss this one reminder. Sometimes we might have 2 or 3 reminders at once. If we want to get rid of all of them at once, then you utilize the dismiss up in the top right-hand corner. So then once your leads come on in, they come directly into your dashboard, and you can work your leads by utilizing the product line. Now, if I needed to be able to just follow up on reminders, here, I would go into my reminders located down at the bottom of the screen, and I'd work my reminders. I'd click directly on the title of the reminder. Notice here I can see all of my past due reminders as well as my currently active reminders. If I wanted to, I could go through and be able to check off certain reminders and dismiss them, or I can just click all of them or just all the past due here, and then I can go ahead and I can dismiss them. Now, if I don't want to do that, I can keep them all there, or I can go into this one, say called and left a message. All right, then I can dismiss this reminder, and I can click save. That's going to automatically dismiss that one reminder. Then I just go back down to my next set of reminders, and I just go ahead and make my next follow-up call. Every day you should be able to work your reminders. Your reminders can have what we call a reminder type. That's what type of action you need to be able to choose. You can customize this list. We usually already have it pre-installed with appointments, calls, to-do items, run quotes. You can always go into your administrative functions and be able to customize this drop-down. Again, if you're an administrator, you can swap into other people's reminders so that way you can track what it is that your producers are doing and how they can get everything done. This account does not actually have any reminders for your other producers, but you could go ahead and swap them out. If you want to be able to access the file, always go ahead and click on the prospect's name. If you want to be able to make a call directly to the prospect, just click on the prospect's phone number, click dial now, and it'll automatically connect you directly to your lead. These are the basics about how I would work my daily follow-up opportunities. If you utilize email into the AgencyIQ system, all of your new email will automatically pre-fill into the mail section right here. If it's a new piece of mail, it's going to be bold and it will display here. Otherwise, we can utilize the email tab. This is like your inbox for your emails. Here you can see whenever you've received emails and from who. You can see all the emails that have been sent, scheduled, trashed, any errors that you're running, and then you can also go ahead and create different tags for different types of emails. Make sure to watch our training video about email marketing and email management to make sure that you understand the tagging and flagging of emails. The Contacts tab allows you to be able to pull up any group of people and be able to run a query inside of your system. Here you have a Filters and Options button that whenever it's expanded, it opens up the ability for you to see multiple different checkmark boxes to be able to run an audit inside the system. Here, maybe I want to be able to say I just want all of my auto leads assigned to Sally Manager that are new prospects, and I want to go ahead and refresh with these settings, and it'll pull up all the leads that match that criteria. If I want to be able to state by name, I can search by name here up at the top right-hand corner. Once I have my list of my query, I can go ahead and select all and get the selected list inside of an Excel format. If I want to download my entire book, I can utilize the Download Entire List in Excel format option. If I wanted to go ahead and add everyone in this list to a marketing campaign, I can do that as well. And I can also take everybody in this list or even individual people in this list and be able to move them to another status and or producer inside of my office. Pulling up your leads, check marking them on the left, scrolling down to the bottom allows you to be able to move your leads around between producers, statuses, and campaigns. This will allow you to be able to manipulate your leads in bulk. When you are complete and you've chosen all of your leads as well as the statuses and everything down here at the bottom, if you do not want them to show up on the dashboard as newly assigned, I would check the Do Not Mark as Newly Assigned option there. And then you would just go ahead and click Assign Leads to be able to complete this task. These are the basics about how to be able to utilize the Agency IQ system to work your leads most effectively.